NextEra Energy. What's my strategy of this one? Now, this is a very specific strategy. We've got an alert on Benziga at the moment about a law case going on, which doesn't look good. However, it's not affecting the stock very much. In fact, it's rallying up quite nicely. But there's a couple of reasons for this. The court case really isn't having much effect, and I don't know how much validity is in that. I've not seen any evidence that is credible yet that I want to share with you. So this is NextEra Energy. This is my position. I've got two positions. I've got my Roth IRA where I trade tax-free, and I've got my brokerage position over here. And my brokerage position is much bigger. It's my long-term investment, and I'm up on it. The dividends are great, so I keep it for that. But Roth IRA, I've got a smaller position of 688, but I have a very specific thing I'm going to do with this. Now then, we've got the earnings for NextEra Energy on Tuesday. We'll be, of course, covering it live, and I'll give you the link to that in a minute. You can join us for it live. So, if NextEra Energy goes up 5% today, I'm going to sell my Roth position, and that'll give me a 6.5% profit, which will be great. Ahead of the market, making some money, whatever. The reason for this is two reasons. If the information around the court case is accurate and it drives the stock price down, I've taken some profits, fair enough. But mostly we've got the weekend coming up, then we've got Monday, and then of course Tuesday is the earnings. This stock tends to rally up towards earnings. Now the expectations is up, and I think we could beat it. However, will it beat it enough? Stocks don't always go up because we beat on earnings. They have a little bit of a drop because people said it's not as much as I expected, or they take profits at this point. So my strategy is this. If we can get up 5% today, I will sell my Roth, take a tax-free gain, profit in a nice profit, tax-free, lovely. That way I'm protected if the news is true about the court case, should that happen over the weekend. On Monday, we'll get close to the earnings. If it doesn't go up 5% today, I will hold to Monday. Monday, we might get that 5%. Then I'll be out regardless of what I think the earnings are going to do. That when the earnings comes out, there'll always be some volatility. If it goes up, I've got my main position benefiting from that, so I'm still in. That's great. If we do get it drop, which more likely we will, because even if it beats earnings, it's never enough. The street don't like it, and it's not as much as they was hoping for. It could drop, and we're only up 5%, so I'm in a position where I could easily buy back lower than where I was in the first place because I bought it too high anyway. I could then buy it back, and I want to buy it back because I've got another couple of weeks to be in on the stock for the ex-dividend date to get those juicy dividends. So that's my strategy. Own it today. If it goes up 5%, I will sell it. If it only goes up 1 or 2%, which is up 2% now, I will hold it over the weekend. On Monday, I will try and get it up 5%. I will then sell it. We'll then cover the earnings live, and hopefully you'll join us for the earnings. If you click above my head, that will take you to the earnings of NextEra Energy. We'll have the earnings, and then after the earnings, we will be able to buy it back because I've only made 5%, and there could easily be a 5% drop. So buy it back with the profits. That way I'm back in with the dividends as well. So I've won on all counts. So that's how I'm playing it. What's your thoughts on NextEra Energy? If you want more solar related or relevant videos, click over here and down here, and you might find some more information that I think you'll find interesting. But join us for the earnings on NextEra Energy. That is on July the 25th, and that is pre-market. So get up early and join us for that. Take care.